Okay, guys, an update. This is a message for the surveillance team. Today is Saturday the 13th. That's their favorite number, 3, 13th. Okay, this is Pearly Gardiner, targeted individual Australia, mind control victim, sold out in the year 2000 via my honey trap ex-husband to the Australian Security Intelligence Organization. Anyway, guys, surveillance team. Wow. Now I have to ask your minion to pick me up where I am now. It was like, I think my cleaning will start at 10:30. And then I woke up at 7 a.m. I think I left about 8:30. Yeah, 8:30. And what I did was I have to write down the steps, the sequence, how to get to the address, right? So I did that, and I wrote two options, which route I will take, the one with toll and the one without toll. And what happened was, when I was all ready to turn to, so I took the M7 towards Sydney and Newcastle because this is in Eastwood. So it was like 24 kilometers. I had the best time of my life for 24 minutes on the motorway M7 without your minions, cannot be seen. And then I have to exit to Macquarie Park. I almost missed that too. And then when I'm about to turn onto Christie Road towards Macquarie Park, that's when you hijack my brain, block my brain, and I took the continuation to drive in what you call this, in M7. Yeah, that's what happened. So I didn't have the choice but to switch on my mobile and do the Google Map again. Oh my goodness. Surveillance team, are you challenged? Yeah, you have GPS in my car, you have GPS in my mobile phone, and via the cell towers, you can track my brain. Wow. And actually right now, and then your minion wants me to go to the East something high school, because I said that, can you pick me up where I am right now? Because at the first stop where I stopped was at Hillsong Church here in Macquarie. And then she said, no, you can just go to this Dundice something school. And then I said, what's the point to go to the school and do the Google Map again that you control, that you manipulate, okay? So I said, oh no, I'll just go to her address, okay? And then I ended up here, of course, by manipulation and deception with your cyber surveillance team perp. And I'm right in front of the School of Engineering Robotics. Wow, first robotics. And right in front of the Douglas Henley Moir Pathology. Oh, wow. Are you trying to tell me I need a blood test again? So for you to know how my sodium, my cholesterol, so you know how exactly how to, I don't know, to murder me or whatever, lace my food or whatever. Oh dear. So surveillance team. Is it challenging? Are you challenged with a targeted individual, a single mother, 51 years old, with no resources? And you all have the resources, manpower, money, technology. Oh, wow. Anyway, that's just an update, guys. So my handler just approved my minion to pick me up here, another client for the house cleaning. It's a new client. When it's a client, as long as I got the job, dear handler, you will never ever get me psyop, okay? Whatever with this lady said, my client Jane, the Chinese Zumba mate Jane, and my client, she gave this Chinese new client for me to clean today to Eastwood, and it's actually 32 minutes when you take the M7 to come here. But it took me like what, an hour and a half driving around because my surveillance team CyberPerp is trying to manipulate my GPS. So I didn't have the choice but to call your minion, my client, to pick me up here, and I will just follow her car. So that's the update, guys. This is all a hyper game theory by manipulation and deception, situational scenario as usual. Okay, to all the targeted individuals, stay firm in your faith. Keep up the faith. Ask for the Holy Spirit to strengthen you physically, emotionally, mentally, and especially spiritually. And of course, watch your diet now, guys, because you know we are their guinea pigs. We are their what you call that, test subjects on their technology, on their evil technology weaponry. Thanks, guys. Follow me on my YouTube, Pearly Gardener, Targeted Individual Australia, and the other one is Targeted Individual Australia. God bless everyone. I think she's here now.